6:30, time to go. That is the volcano Fuego and Acatenango.
And it's erupting!
It's erupting. Why is it you only have this one small trolley? Because we're going on a hike. It's gonna be crazy.
Up there.
The tour operator we decided to go with is called OX Expeditions. And we read some really good reviews. They had a really informative website and they seemed really professional. And yesterday we were at this pre-trip info meeting. Lasted for about 45 minutes. They went through the hike and what we can expect and
what to wear
and how to prepare. We'll leave a description to their website in the description below. So we're gonna meet up at the OX office at 7 to get all our gears packed. We're gonna borrow some backpacks and some gloves and some hats and jackets and all the stuff that we don't brought along here.
Yeah.
So that's real cool.
Oh yeah, the OX expedition, they provide breakfast this morning, lunch, dinner and breakfast tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
So it's included.
Yeah. And our guide, Alonso
or Chico,
he's been at the summit of Acatenango
400 times.
So we feel we're in good hands.
Yeah. This group we decided to go with is a group with 9 other people from India, Germany, Spain, and then we have 2 guides. So we will be a group of 11 people in total. Yeah. We're here. Morning.
All right. Morning.
Morning.
Morning, guys.
Is that the jackets we can borrow?
I think so. Michigan State.
Okay.
So,
Breakfast?
lunch.
Or lunch?
All packed up, ready?
Yeah. Packing. All packed up. All packed up. Yeah.
All right, guys. So we're done packing. So let's just relax for a few more minutes because the car will come at 7:30.
So our guide is prepared. Wine and painkillers. Yeah. This is my small backpack.
All right, guys.
Oh God.
Look at these happy faces. They won't stay this happy for very long.
$25 an hour. It's not bad, no? For a job like that, you can pay people.
It's hard already.
So we just started out on the ascent and it just starts straight up. So your body has to kickstart. But we rented these walking sticks for 5 quetzales and they are totally worth it. But it's really beautiful. I'm so excited to get to the summit eventually. So, still smiling, and Christina is charging ahead. Sort of. It's harder than it looks. That's for sure. Also because the ground is like this, really soft. So when you take one step, it's like you slide back a little bit. Good job, honey. The actual hike begins in 2,400 meters. That's where the trailhead begins. And from here, it's just going up. If you don't really feel up to carrying your backpack, you can actually hire a porter to carry your backpack for you. And we did that for Christina. Also because we have all this camera gear with us. So she's just carrying the small bag. I'm carrying the big one. And then the porter, he's got the really heavy one. And hiring a porter costs 200 quetzales, which is super worth it. Hey guys.
Hi.
Oh, it's hard.
It's hard. It's hard.
Just taking it nice and easy.
Yeah.
Nice and slowly.
It's going to take a little bit of time to warm up. So slow. Yeah, small steps.
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
Good job.
The first part of farmland. If you guys look on both sides. Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good right now.
Hola.
Hola.
Have fun, guys.
Thank you. So we're getting into a quite steep area here. Look how steep that is. And it's all loose soil. Okay, 2 minutes. You're doing well.
Take your time, no worries.
Yeah.
You're doing great. This is the hard part, so
Yeah.
don't feel bad.
You'll make it.
So when you feel tired, don't try to push. Stop 1 minute, breathe a little bit, and go for another 3-4 minutes, and stop again for another minute, so you don't burn your energy. Yeah.
Oh, we gotta get up there. I'm walking up sideways. All right. Oh, we are finally getting to some steps. That's good.
Snack time?
Yeah, you can take it. We have plenty. Yeah, you can take that.
Big smile. Big smile. Getting into a little bit of forest cover. There's one thing, there's a couple, but one of the things that I learned from Bear Grylls is a saying he used to say, which is positivity, positivity, and positivity. 3 most important things to any challenge. And I think we're doing all right. Right?
All right, looking good.
Yeah. Ready, babe? No, no giving up now. You're almost there. This is the entrance. You can do it. We can do it. We're a team.
I'm only 1/3 of the trip.
Yeah, but the inclination, the steep part is the beginning here.
And that's the hardest part.
Yeah, and you're almost there. Don't give up. You can do it. Even if I have to carry up, I'm gonna do it. All right? That's a smile. That's a smile. She can do it. She can do it. All right. We are almost at the entrance of the park.
Good job, guys. Well done.
Volcano Acatenango. Going with OX. The entrance fee to the park. Normally it's 50 quetzales, but it's included in the tour. This cloud forest is really something. It's getting a little steep again here. Just one step at a time. Alright, so we're approaching the top of the cloud forest. It's getting a little chillier, so we just took on a windbreaker just to keep the wind out because it's a bit windy.
Yeah. How high are we now?
29 approximately.
Okay.
So at the next break, it's gonna be by the coffee place. That's 32.
32. Okay.
All right.
if you can hear me, but we're approaching 3,000 meters and we're rewarded with this incredible view. You're really fighting, you're struggling. I'm so proud of you. It's so hard.
It hurts so much.
I know, babe. You're doing so well. So proud of you. So we made it to the coffee and chocolate rest.
It's nice with some hot chocolate.
Yeah, well done, babe. I'm so proud of you. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's very sweet.
Yeah. This hike is not for fun.
It's not for the faint of heart, that's for sure. But you already traversed the most steep parts. I'm so proud of you.
I hope so.
Not only are you know, you have your asthma. I'm so proud. And you should be proud as well.
But I could cry all the time.
That's okay, that's okay.
And you're good? He has so much energy.
We're a team, so we combine the energy and then we can make it. So now we are leaving the coffee rest spot, hot chocolate spot, and we have approximately 30 minutes until we reach the lunch spot. And from there it'll begin to flatten out. So we're just gonna take it nice and easy, slow and steady. Still smiling. So getting up through the pine forest, we get into the open again, and the sun is shining, and we just got a little bit of warm. But look at that view!
This is crazy.
Alright, so after 30 minutes of hiking from the coffee spot, we finally made it to the lunch site. The lunch is in the forward compartment. If you get cold, put on your jacket, right?
Yeah.
So there's a bit of a cold wind.
Yeah. As you can hear. After lunch, it's time for a nap. Are you okay?
Oh, it's so nice just to rest a little bit. Granada. It's like milky chocolate with arroz, rice in it.
I am with my white chocolate.
Lunch break is over and we are heading on. And this time we're sort of following the group, which is pretty cool. It's getting pretty windy, as you can probably hear. Just start out slowly. We're around 3,500 meters. It's getting a little bit harder to breathe.
Still hard. I'm still struggling.
Yeah, you're doing so well.
It's nice going downhill.
Nice and steady. Ooh, not bad. Ooh, don't slip. This part of the hike is just such a relief.
Yeah.
Coming up from the very steep sections, and your body can just sort of recuperate a little bit. The muscles can relax, and you can just focus on your breathing. And look how it sort of flattens out here. And we take far less breaks here than we did on the incline. We're gonna make it. We're gonna get to the camp. And it's gonna be awesome. What are you seeing?
I see Fuego.
There it is.
We're close now.
Yeah, we're close.
So beautiful. Oh, I love to see you smile.
I could cry because I'm almost there.
Bit of erosion here, like a small landslide. Yeah, just follow the dog. Good doggy.
How high is Agua?
Agua is 3,766 meters.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we are like at the summit.
So we are at 3,500.
Oh, okay.
3,500 meters. Like in 5 minutes now, we're going to see base camp, and the view at base camp, you can see like the rest of the Fuego volcano. Yeah.
Awesome.
So
Path goes up and down, big boulders of rocks, and then just an insane view.
That was awesome.
You can see the eruption, and then a couple of seconds later. This last part, getting to the campsite, oh, a little steep as well. But I think we are almost there. And we have this incredible view to the Fuego volcano. I can't wait to see it erupt tonight when it gets dark. Look at that!
you can bring your stuff.
Alright. Yeah,
So you can
cool.
put your sleeping mat inside, roll your sleeping bags, and then if you want to rest,
Yep.
yeah.
Cool. Alright.
So
Ah.
how was it?
Yeah, well, yeah, it was tough. But it was...
But I mean, yeah, when you work very hard for something, that's something that you don't forget.
Yeah. And I'm so proud of her.
Yeah, I'm proud of her too. She did a great job.
Alright, so this is our tent. Not too shabby. How many stars would you rate this hotel? Considering the view?
Well, there's breakfast included. There's a view. Maybe a 4-star.
We're now settled into the tent. It just feels so good. Just lying down for just 10 minutes, resting.
This is how Kennedy is napping. Right next to the volcano.
Getting ready for a fire tonight. They even brought up firewood. And this is our dinner for tonight. Pasta.
Oh. Whoosh.
So the sun has set, and we've been at the camp for a couple of hours, some hours. We're still waiting for the Fuego team to come back. How's it been?
Cold.
Yeah, we are all jacked up and in our sleeping bags.
Now
We have an amazing view.
to Fuego.
Fuego, yeah. Just been incredible just to be here.
Yeah.
So I think we should just get in our sleeping bags and watch Fuego, and then wait until dinner's ready.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's a good idea.
sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
So we just got dinner, which is a pasta bowl, and he also brought me a cup of red wine. Yummy.
And maybe
You're in the spotlight.
maybe we should have been on the campfire with the others.
It's just so cozy to be in the sleeping bags.
Oh.
See, it's windy.
Yeah, we are maybe not that social. Sorry,
Yeah, it's okay.
but yeah.
It's what it is. So we are four from the group going up the top to the summit, and it's kind of steep, and I'm already out of breath. Oh man, can't wait to get to the summit and see that sunrise. I made it to the top. 13,000 feet, baby. Oh, that last ascent to the summit. That one almost broke me. So slippery, so steep. It's getting a little windy up here. So we just came down from the summit, and already I can feel the warmth of the sun my feet aren't as cold and I don't have to wear gloves anymore. And look at that amazing view above the clouds. Alright. I made one mistake yesterday evening before going to bed, and that was I hadn't packed my bag, so I don't have any water, anything to drink, or any snacks. Kind of thirsty, also because the is pretty dusty. When I was up there, the only thing I was thinking about was how jealous I was of you just being in your sleeping bag.
Morning, sir.
Morning.
How you doing?
Right now, I'm doing very well.
Wow!
Alright, so we are breaking up camp now and just getting all our stuff packed, and then we're heading back down Acatenango.
Alrighty. Ready to leave this place?
Yes. It's been just out of this world. It's been an unforgettable experience.
Yeah.
But I miss a soft bed, I miss a warm shower, and maybe a couple of hours of sleep.
Yeah. Let's go. Bye bye, Volcano Fuego. These straps carrying our clothes today was my lifesaver yesterday. Kenneth literally pulled me up the hill all the way while I was holding these straps like this.
You did good then.
You did good.
That's what teamwork is about. As we get further down, it gets warmer, so people are dressing down. It looks super easy.
Even that was a struggle. It should be easier going down, and maybe it is a bit, but I really don't have the technical thing to going downhill.
So we come back down into the cloud forest again.
Yeah.
Nice cool shade and this forest, moist forest path. We are almost down. can't tell you how much I look forward to getting out of these shoes and getting a shower. Almost there, babe.
Almost there.
Alright, okay. You alright? Want me to go ahead? The descent is just very technical. You use your thighs and your knees. It's all about balance and coordination. I'm still a bit tired, so. You remember these new steps?
Yeah, I remember. They're so steep. Oh, thank you.
How do you guys go up there?
It was totally worth it.
Yeah.
But tough as hell.
Open more. Okay.
Every second of battery time was used on this hike, going up and going down. So we couldn't show you the last few hundred meters down to the van where the rest of the group waited for us, and we headed back to Antigua.
Being an asthmatic on this hike, it was awful. I was through every emotion, but I want to tell you that I have 3 or 4 stages on my way up. At first I got so much
saliva in your throat and
mouth. I had to spit all the time.
She didn't want us to see, turn around, turn around. Like, come on, just spit.
Yeah. Then it hurt in my throat, in the thin air. And when we climbed further up, it was my lungs. It hurt so badly. I was crying.
Yeah, we went up in our own pace.
Yeah.
The group was super strong. I mean, thumbs up to the rest of the group. They were really just an incredible bunch of people. No, but it's also just to say that if you do have asthma, you can definitely go on this hike.
Yeah, absolutely. But I take medicine every single day, in the morning, in the evening. So, and I have this extra with me when I get...
In case you're really strained, you get like an asthma attack or something.
Yeah, and I used it. Yeah,
you did.
Yeah.
But you made it, and I'm so proud of you.
And it was an incredible experience. It truly was. This group we decided to go with is a group with 7 other people. 8, 9 with the guides.
I think we're 9 included with guide. Yeah, so 8. 8?
No.
No, there's one.
No, we are 9 participants.
What for the other?
This one weighs 35 kilos and this one weighs 10.
Which one do you want?
You're getting a little bit dusty, aren't you?
Huh? Oh.
Better? Better?
There's so many reasons why I married you.
One of them is my bad humor. You can slowly see you can... Oh, blah. Can we go to the beach next time, please? So now we're gonna sleep for the next 127 hours. And,